Hello, this is Jordan and Amber Alegria with Alegria Homes, and we'd like to introduce you to Mountain View at Smith Estates. This house is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 3650 square feet. Brings everything that Colorado has to offer, from wood beams to modern accents to smart home features. This house is suited for entertainers' dream.
So in this day and age, we really have to design homes around the fast-paced life of children on their way to soccer practice or parents trying to come up with recipes. So what's neat about this home is all just kind of suited to what's important to everyone during their day-to-day.
Everybody's lifestyle is different. This house was really catered towards high-end, sophisticated living.
But I think what's really neat and unique about this home is that it offers a great space for entertaining and really catering to like the husband side of it. We were able to really look at it from a different perspective in terms of how we could really get the man cave set up the way that the client wanted it.